So what's this Weaver commission?
Oh, I don't like to micromanage. You find the talent, and then you delegate. Who the hell knows what Eddie's up to? He's got a lot of fingers, a lot of pies.
Excuse me. What the fuck are you looking at? Yeah, you. Were you deaf or something? You don't hear me?
Oh, I hear you fine.
Yeah? So get the fuck out of my car if you hear me fine.
Why? I didn't know it was your car. I'm having a good time here.
Now, I ain't asking you, motherfucker. I'm telling you to get the fuck out of my fucking car then.
Shit, jump.
Chill, man. Chill, man. I'm gonna cut your fucking throat off, man. Fuck that shit.
Maricela, su esposa. Il momento che salite dell'appartamento, ella stava arriba con Carlos. Mira, amigo, están en la pipa fumando crema. Están en la cocina compartiendo un jumbo. Y después, en tu misma cama, él se la va a meter por el culo. Y a ella la va a gustar en tu cama verde especial.
¿Cómo? What the fuck you know?
Sande mi vista y póngase el cuchillo donde merece. Go ahead, son. You still got time. There's a train coming the other way. You'll just catch it. You'll thank me in the morning.
You ain't right, man.
Oh, I'm right. You'll see. Invigorating.
What did you say to him?
I told him that if he didn't leave us alone, you were gonna kick his ass. From here to DeKalb. Look at that. There's a lady getting up from her seat. Come on.